We've got some more commercial carpet tile cleaning today. And as you can see, this is the main walkway into an office. Lots of dirt compacted into those tiles. Going to need flushing. Well, we're on the final stage now. This is our orbital machine, which is dry buffing the carpet. It's also releasing further soils, which are being captured in a special pad, and that pad then gets laundered and used again. So this helps to dry the carpet, accelerate drying, and it will further improve the appearance of the carpet as well. 2 hours later, we've completely flushed all the dirt from the main traffic areas and underneath the workstations. And we've used our encapsulation system. Okay, so that's looking a lot better now. We now have air moving equipment in place to accelerate drying. The nasty tea stain underneath there we managed to remove. And this area here was the worst bit, really. This was where a lot of the dirt collected, just in the entrance area here, which we've managed to flush out and clean.